Hi, Samuel. I'm Stacy Napper, your instructor, and I'm making this feedback video for you on the first section of your employee handbook. Um, First of all, you did a great job covering all the sections that were required by the assignment, and I thought that you adding your name and it's kind of like a welcome letter feel was really good. You're the first one that I've seen that has done that, and it lends a very warm and friendly touch. Um, as far as the mechanics of your assignment, um, your spelling is fine. It's easy to read. I don't see any glaring formatting errors. But there are some places where the language could be a little bit smoother. Um, so let me give you an example here. Okay, so here in Introduction to the Company, its mission is to make African food be accessible globally and at a cheaper rate, and creating employee for the community in which it operates and pay them well, which will help them live a better life. So I would say our mission is to um, make African food uh, accessible globally and at a reasonable price. And I would break it up into several sentences. It's kind of a run on. So what you may want to do is read this out loud so that you can kind of wordsmith it a little bit. And if you need some help, just reach out to me and I'm happy to discuss it with you. Overall, good job.